Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your Angelina Michelle here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I do my nails. So I do have my nail tips. I have my Kolinsky brush in the size 8. I have my nail cutter. I have my base coat No More Stains. I have my brush on nail glue, my acrylic liquid, my nail files, my Maya Secret clear acrylic powder, my acrylic oil. I don't know the name of this, but I use this to push back my cuticles. And then I have my cuticle trimmer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. Okay, so you guys, so the first thing that I'm doing is filing down my nails. And as you can see, I'm kind of curving it as I file, just so that when I look for a nail tip and I'm trying to match it to my nail, it just fits perfectly.